Hey guys, Captain Rob from North Fork Adventures Charters, and we're going to do another little Taste of the Peconic episode. Now, it's kind of not the Peconic Bay, but it sort of is, from the Atlantic Ocean. Just had a trip on Traveler this week where we scored with the Yellowfin tuna and a couple of big eyes. So what we're going to make today is Yellowfin Tuna Tartare. So, I've got this beautiful Yellowfin tuna that I pre-chopped to make some beautiful tuna tartare. So tuna tartare is basically tuna, ginger, fresh squeezed lemon juice, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a bit of sesame seeds. And it's not heavy on the soy sauce, so I'm going to show you guys how this is done. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to chop some ginger. Okay, we don't need much, but we need a good amount. So you get your ginger from the supermarket. And what we're going to do, so we're going to take our ginger, get rid of the edges, make a nice square. That chunk's about all we need. So what we're going to do is we're going to slice this really thin. Okay. And make some thin slices. Keep slicing, always really thin with the ginger. You don't want too big of chunks. Okay, so we're going to take our ginger, put it in a nice metal bowl. Just like that. You can't have too much ginger. It's a really great thing we use here. Now, we're going to take that beautiful tuna, beautiful yellowfin tuna, pre-chopped, and we're going to get it in that bowl. Everyone in the pool today. Come on, one more hanger. And we're going to stir that up, get that ginger in there. Mix it in there really good because you want that flavor. It turns out really, really nice. Now, this recipe uses soy sauce, but it's not heavy on the soy sauce. So we're going to do just a little bit. Go in there, put a little bit of soy sauce on. And we are going to do this to taste. And we're going to stir that up. And we're going to do a little sesame oil. Not much. A little goes a long way here. Yeah, stir that in there really good. I want all these flavors to blend in. Now we're going to do a little fresh squeezed lemon juice. I pre-squeezed the lemon. Just a bit. Nothing too much. Ooh, get back in the bowl. And this makes a great appetizer, but we're going to chef it up a little afterwards and give you a really nice presentation. So I'm going to give that a little taste. That's really good. Need a touch more of the soy sauce. Just a touch. Remember, don't go heavy on the soy sauce because you're just going to drown it and all you'll taste is soy. And we probably used 2 tablespoons here, if that. And a little shot of sesame oil. Again, always to taste. Yeah, that's really nice. A little more lemon juice. Again, just a bit, not too much. We want to taste that really fresh tuna. This guy was swimming in Beach Canyon 2 days ago. just cut yesterday after sitting on ice. We're going to add some sesame seeds, just enough. And I'll have a full recipe in the description of the video. Stir. Again, I'm going to give it a taste. You always have to taste your food. That is top notch. A few more sesame seeds and we're done. And that is a beautiful, fresh tuna tartare. You'll be proud to serve to anyone, and a restaurant would charge a fortune for this. Okay guys, look at that. Beautiful bowl of tuna tartare. Thank you, my camerawoman, my lovely wife Wendy. Now, I'm going to show you a little trick. You want a really nice presentation? I'm going to chef this up a little. I'm not a chef, but I've seen them do this on TV, and I've done it myself. Put that aside. Just going to take a tablespoon, biscuit cutter, small biscuit cutter, on a nice plate. I'm going to fill that in. Put our tuna aside. Lift that up. Look at that. That is a beautiful presentation. And we're going to finish it off with a little piece of pickled ginger. Reach in there, get a little piece of pickled ginger on top. Look at that. That is presentation you'll be proud to serve your guests. Tuna tartare with a little pickled ginger. Let's give that a shot. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Fresh tuna. Beautiful presentation. You'd spend a fortune in a restaurant for this, but it's pretty easy. And like I said, everything I've done here will be in the description of the video. So thank you for joining us. Another great Taste of the Peconic episode. Yellowfin tuna tartare. Can't wait to see you out on the water. Enjoy.